In the last class, we discussed logarithmic differentiation. Today we will take up some more problems, some more questions on that. Yes, the first question is differentiate the following function with respect to x. The function is x raised to the power sin x plus sin x raised to the power cos x. Let's call this function as y. So I need to find dy by dx, right? Now look here. In this function, exponent is a variable. So in order to differentiate this, I need to use logarithmic differentiation. Similarly here, exponent is a function. So here also I will have to use the logarithmic differentiation. Now as y is equal to sum of these two functions, so what I'll do, I'll call this function as u and this function as v. Now differentiating with respect to x, I'll get dy by dx equals du by dx plus dv by dx. So in order to find out dy by dx, I need to know du by dx and dv by dx. So first we will find out du by dx. Yes, u is equal to x raised to the power sin x. Now as exponent is a function, so we will have to use the logarithmic differentiation. So taking natural log on both sides, I'll get log u to the base e will be equal to log x raised to the power sin x to the base e. So we have log u to the base e equals log x raised to the power sin x to the base e. This is log u to the base e equals. Now by property of logarithm, this can be written as sin x into log x to the base e. Yes, because log x raised to the power m is m log x, right? This power exponent will come in the front. Now I'll differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of log u, natural log with respect to x will be 1 by u du by dx equals to, here two functions are getting multiplied. So I'll be making use of product rule. So first function, which is sin x, into derivative of the second function. So derivative of natural log x is 1 by x plus second function, that is log x, into derivative of the first function. So derivative of sin x is cos x. So from here du by dx will be equal to u sin x over x plus log x into cos x. So du by dx will be equal to, what was u? U was x raised to the power sin x. This is sin x over x plus log x into cos x. So we have obtained du by dx. Now we will find dv by dx. So v is equal to sin x raised to the power cos x. Again, exponent is a function, so we will make use of logarithmic differentiation. So again, taking natural log on both sides, I'll get log v to the base e equals log sin x raised to the power cos x, right? Now, this is log v to the base e. Again, by using the property of logarithm, this power cos x will come here and it is cos x into log sin x, and it is log to the base e. Now I differentiate with respect to x. So, derivative of log v will be 1 by v dv by dx. Here two functions are getting multiplied, so I'll be making use of product rule. So first function into derivative of the second function, derivative of this. Now look here, this function is a composition of two functions, log x and sin x. So I'll apply chain rule. So first write down the derivative of outer function without changing the inside function. So it is log x form. So derivative will be 1 over sin x into derivative of inside function, which is cos x, plus log sin x into derivative of first function, which is minus sin x. So I'll get dv by dx is equal to v. This is cot x into cos x and minus sin x into log sin x to the base e. So we have obtained dv by dx as this. Now here, what was v? Yes, v was sin x raised to the power cos x. So I'll replace v with sin x raised to the power cos x into cot x into cos x minus sin x into log sin x to the base e, right? So this is dv by dx. So therefore, by 1, this is our relation 1. So dy by dx will be equal to, yes, it's du by dx plus dv by dx. So what was du by dx? Du by dx was this. So I'll put its value. So it's x raised to the power sin x over x plus log x into cos x, and plus dv by dx, and dv by dx is this. So it will be sin x raised to the power cos x cot x into cos x minus sin x into log sin x. So this is dy by dx. Let's take another question. Differentiate with respect to x. I have to find out the derivative of this function with respect to x. So let me call this function as y. Now you can see y is a sum of these two functions. So let this be the function u and this be the function v. So dy by dx will be equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. So if I have to find the derivative of y with respect to x, I need to find out derivative of u with respect to x and derivative of v with respect to x. So first I'll find out du by dx. U is equal to x raised to the power x cos x. Now look here. Here exponent is a function. Therefore, we will use logarithmic differentiation. So, taking natural log on both sides, I'll get log u to the base e equals log x raised to the power x cos x, right? So this is log u, and by property of logarithm, this exponent will come in the front. So it's x cos x log x, right? Now I differentiate both sides with respect to x. So we differentiate both sides with respect to x. So derivative of log u with respect to x will be 1 by u du by dx, right? This is equals to. Now here I'll regard this as one function and this as another function. So I will apply product rule. So first function, that is x cos x, I have regarded this as the first function, into derivative of the second function. So derivative of log x, which is 1 by x, plus second function, that is log x, into derivative of the first function. Now look here. This is the first function, and first function is a product of two functions, x and cos x. So if I have to find the derivative of this first function, I will apply the product rule again. So product rule on this first function, that is x, into derivative of second, derivative of cos x is minus sin x, plus second function cos x into derivative of first, derivative of x is 1. So I'll get 1 by u du by dx is equal to, this x will get cancelled out. So here I'll get cos x, I open the bracket, minus x sin x log x, and here I'll get plus cos x into log x. So from here du by dx will be equal to u cos x minus x sin x log x plus cos x into log x to the base e. So du by dx will be equal to, yes, what was u? U was x raised to the power x cos x. So it is x raised to the power x cos x minus x sin x log x plus cos x into log x to the base e. This is du by dx. So now by 1, dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. So dy by dx is equal to, put the value of du by dx, and du by dx was this. So it's x raised to the power x cos x into cos x minus x sin x log x plus cos x into log x plus dv by dx, this minus 4x over x square minus 1 whole square. This is the value of dy by dx. So we have obtained du by dx, and now we will find out dv by dx. So here v is equal to x square plus 1 over x square minus 1. Yes, dv by dx. This function is a quotient of two functions. That is, the function is of this form, numerator over denominator. So I'll apply quotient rule, which says denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator whole divided by square of denominator, right? So dv by dx will be equal to, yes, dv by dx is equal to denominator x square minus 1 into derivative of numerator, derivative of x square plus 1, 2x, minus numerator x square plus 1 into derivative of denominator, 2x, whole divided by square of denominator x square minus 1 whole square. So I simplify this. I'm taking the factor 2x common. I'm left with x square minus 1 minus x square minus 1 over x square minus 1 whole square. So it is dv by dx equals 2x into minus 2, which is minus 4x over x square minus 1 whole square. So this is dv by dx. Let's take another question. Find dy by dx if cos x raised to the power y is equal to cos y raised to the power x. Yes, we have to find out the value of dy by dx. So one thing is clear, that we have to differentiate this with respect to x, right? Now look here. Here exponent is a variable and here also exponent is a variable. So that means I have to make use of logarithmic differentiation. As there is a sign of equality, so what I'll do, I'll take natural log on both sides. If this would have been a plus sign or minus sign, then I would have differentiated the two functions separately. But now as there is a sign of equality, so I'll write taking natural log on both sides. So it's log cos x raised to the power y is equal to log cos y raised to the power x, this. Now by property of logarithm, this exponent will come here. So I'll get y log cos x. Similarly in this, it will be x log cos y. I'm not writing the base e, so it should be clear that wherever I have taken logarithm, it is the natural log, that is to the base e. Now I'll differentiate both sides with respect to x. So here I'll apply the product rule. So first function into derivative of second function. Now it is the composition of two functions, log x and cos x. So I'll apply chain rule. So first find out the derivative of outer function, that is log x function. It will be 1 by cos x into derivative of inner function, which is minus sin x. Now plus second function, that is log cos x into derivative of first, dy by dx. This is equals to, now come to this side. Again I'll apply product rule. So first function, that is x, into derivative of second function with respect to x. I'll apply chain rule. So log cos y, I have to differentiate this with respect to x. So it will be 1 over cos y into minus sin y into dy by dx, right? Derivative of outer function, with respect to y is 1 by cos y into derivative of inside function, which is minus sin y, then derivative of y with respect to x, plus second function, that is log cos y into derivative of first 1. Right? So I can write this as minus y tan x sin x over cos x plus log cos x dy by dx equals to, this is minus x tan y sin y over cos y dy by dx plus log cos y. Yes, so we have differentiated both the sides. Now I have to find out dy by dx. So I'll transpose all the terms containing dy by dx on one side. So it's log cos x dy by dx. Transpose this term to this side. So x tan y dy by dx equals, it's log cos y, and transpose this term to the other side, plus y tan x. So from here I can take dy by dx common. I'm left with log cos x plus x tan y equals log cos y plus y tan x. So from here dy by dx will be equal to log cos y plus y tan x whole divided by this log cos x plus x tan y. This is the value of dy by dx.